Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you will create the multiple calculator website and also how you will create a single keyword based calculator. This website is idealweightcalculator.net. Website is designed for the single keyword based calculator. This is ideal weight calculator. I will also show you how much the keyword volume on the Google, how much people are tracking, how much people are searching on this website. And here you will check this is a multiple keyword website because they are using the 180 plus powerful calculators here. Lots of categories like finance, conversion, health, education, math, AI, and lots of calculators. 180 plus calculators. So the website of multiple calculator is probability of ranking on the Google is much higher than the single calculator website. But single calculator websites also very easy to handle because we use the single calculator website. Once you able to write the code, you can start writing the articles, multiple articles, because the website is running the multiple articles. You can use here, check here, ideal weight for men. If you write those kind of articles, ideal weight for men, ideal weight for women, and here create the tables. The agenda is how much value you will provide. It depends on you. As much as you value and quality of to provide to users who are searching on our Google, on our website, the valuable content, the most probability the Google will start ranking our website on the upper pages or first pages, top 3, top 1. It depends on our content user interface. There are a lot of websites who are providing the same kind of calculators. The one website, the most popular website is calculator.net. I personally use this website because lots of people are using this kind of website, but they are running on multiple calculators. This is very big website. So this is most popular websites. There are lots of calculator, but you need to make a single calculator website. For that kind of website, calculator.net, you need more and more in knowledge to create. So this is a very big website. But for the single calculator website, you just need a simple HTML code ideas. If you don't know, I will also guide you how you can create that kind of website. If you don't know coding, don't know WordPress, don't know HTML, CSS, Java, you are able to create that kind of website. I will give you the same kind of template link in the description so that you can create and upload on our hosting service provider. First, we will look the main website. This is a calculators.1. Here you can find out the 180 plus powerful calculators. I will also show you how much traffic that kind of websites and what is the keyword volume, because these are all are the keywords. Once you will go to finance, EMI calculator, SIP calculator, these all are the keywords. Here you will get the ideal weight calculator. I will show you in the Google keyword plans. This is ideal weight calculator. Press enter here. Okay. These are the, if you're able to create a body BMI calculator male, these are the keywords the people are searching. But your main keyword is ideal weight calculator. Once you are able to create that kind of website, ideal weight calculator, you can create the different calculator on this same website also you can create the articles so that they will help you to rank out your website on the Google or internet. It's 60,500 and the volume, the 3-month changes, 50% rises year-over-year, because this is evergreen calculator. It is not a generation, not a peak time. It's evergreen till the people live on the earth. It's ideal weight calculator. People will search that what is my ideal weight, because that's why the volume is increasing. Here you can check the chart. The volume is increasing 50% yearly, 50% monthly, 50% monthly. The competition is very less, itself the Google itself show everything. The competition is very less. You can check here the other calculator, EMI calculator. Just remove here and enter this EMI calculator. It's a too much, 2,74 like volume. The competition is still very less, and year it is changing 22%. That means these are the evergreen websites. Once you are able to create those kind of websites, your business is evergreen. You just need to maintain the domain and hosting service charges, and these charges will be covered from the Google AdSense income, affiliate income, and other affiliates like Amazon and other health related products and lot of things. Once you start getting traffic, once you start getting income, the traffic is directly proportional, the income is directly proportional to traffic that you are getting on our websites. Okay, here I will give you the link in the description so that you will get the same kind of templates. So once you download the template, you will get the same kind of template, and I will also guide you how you can upload the template on a domain. First, I will show you the best. Therefore, that you need to a hosting service. The hostinger I use. If you use my link, because you will get the 48 month 79% off directly if you will purchase directly without my link that I have given in the description. You will get the 79% off directly. Once you will use my link, you will get the 83% off, because you are using my link. You are getting extra 83% off. Here you will get the 79% off. That means here you are getting the 5% extra, for 5% extra. If you choose the 48 month, because choose maximum period so that you will get the more benefit. Okay, once you purchase the hosting service, you will also get the domain for 1 year free domain. You don't need to pay domain service. Here you come here, in all packages you don't need to pay for domain, because once you purchase the most popular business plan getting the 83% off, you will also get the free SSL, free email, everything free, high security, because the hostinger is name is enough. In the market today, hostinger is providing the best service for all, and also you can host the 50 website also, 5 web app, free domain. So you need to search the domain research. Your domain is related to ideal weight keyword. You can do the Google, or you can use the any AI tools so that you can generate the ideal domain name. It will give you the idea. Once you generate the domain name, just note down. It is available. Purchase your hosting before and purchase the domain. It's free for 1 year, because you are paying already for hosting services. Come here on the hostinger. Once you connect your hosting service, your domain is free here. So you need to upload the template which I have given in the description. Just go to here and open the domain. Open here, because once you open this is a temporary domain the hostinger provide. Open this, you will get the 403. Okay, once you open this, open the file will open like this. Public, do not upload. Here it is also saying do not upload anything. Here go to public HTML. Here you will find a file, and any kind of file, just delete that file. Okay, and upload the template which I have given here. Here you can upload directly, or also you can upload here. Just extract, name is AAA, anything. Delete the file, double click, go to public, select all and move here. Click here, leave the bottom two, leave, go to here, just click and move, because the folder we have moved all file. Okay, just delete, because it was showing 403 before. Now it is showing the exact templates, but you need to change the content. If you are able to change the content, either I will help you. Just drop me a message in the comments, sir, I have purchased, or just email me on my YouTube channel, so that you can say that I have purchased the hostinger services and the template. Please guide me. I have uploaded. If you don't know anything, my team will also guide you how to upload, how to purchase, how to start, how to change the content. And this is evergreen business, my friend. If you are not making that kind of website, you are losing your time. This is internet era. If you are not able to online, you are not making to website, because job, by doing job, you cannot do anything whatever you want to achieve. You need to do something extra to create that kind of websites, because that kind of website will work. If you are sleeping, the website is working. If you are doing anything, the website is working. If you are eating, the website is working. Websites is working 24/7, 365 days, because website is not dependent on us, on you. It is working itself. That is the business. And once your website getting traffic, once you are able to make articles 10, 20, 100, 500, 1000, you will be ranked. And your single website is enough, my dear. Single keyword websites. If you want multiple keyword website, multiple calculator website, I will also give you the link in the description. Why the template? Why the hosting service? If you know how to manage the WordPress HTML, it is well and good. If you don't know, just drop me a message and comment me or email me directly. Me and my team will help you to guide how to install, how to make changes, how to promote, how to do on-page SEO, off-page SEO, how to do SEO, how to do overall content management, content optimization, lot of things. Because once you create the website, it will work generations and generations. You just need to do planning. You just need to do another planning. The website working itself. Okay. So thank you for watching my video and good luck. And I'm waiting for your comment, for a response.